Exercise 12.2, question number 8. What is question? A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter. In here, in this question, they are already given one figure. Then there is one square-shaped grass field. One side is 15 meter. Square means all sides are equal. 15 meter, 15 meter. Then in here, in this corner, one horse we are tied. The length of rope is 5 meter. Already given that also. Length of rope is 5 meter. We can give some name. This is O. This corner is O. This is A. Then the side is B. Then correct middle C. O, A, B, C. Our question. Two questions is there. First one is the area of that part of the field in which horse can grass. First time in this corner only horse tied. Then length of rope is 5 meter. This area that horse can grass. Only that part only. No need to shade. Only that part. Then first we have to find out area of this grassing field. How we can find out? What are things given? First we can write that. Already given length of rope. Solution. Given length of rope. Length of rope. We can consider that is radius. Radius. Just write in bracket. Radius R equal to length of rope already given, that is 5 meter. Length of rope is 5 meter. We will consider that is radius. Then our question, we have to find out the area of the part of the field in which horse can grass. That means this area we have to find out which shape that is one sector only. Can write area of horse can grass. Horse can grass. How much area that horse can grass? Equal to area of sector. Area of sector. Area of sector. Then we can write that name of that sector OACB. OACB. Equal to area of sector. One formula was studied, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. This is area of sector. This formula you can write theta by 360 into pi r square. Equal to one thing, theta is there. What is the value of theta? From this figure, you can say this is sector OACB. This is theta. Theta how much? Automatically you know that is 90 degree only, isn't it? Then we can write theta will be 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree divided by 360 into pi. Pi how much? Already given in question, that is 3.14. 3.14 into r square. Radius we are written, that is 5 meter. 5 square. In this question, don't take 22 by 7. You have to take 3.14 because pi already given in here. Then 0 and 0 cancel. 9 and 36 cancel. 4 times. Then 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. Then multiple 3.14 into 5 into 5, 25. Directly we can write into 25. 5 into 4, 20. Remainder 2. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7. Then 5 into 3, 15. Then using by 2, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6. 0, then 7 plus 8, 15, remainder 1, then 7 plus 1, 8, then 1 plus 6, 7. 78, 5, 0. Then check it in question. After point 2 numbers is there 1, 4. That's why in answer also we have to put after point 2 numbers 78.50 divided by one more number is there, that is 4. Divide by 4. That divide by 4 also you can do. 78.50 divided by 4. In 7, 4, 1 time, 1 into 4, 4, then 3, 8. In 38, 38 how many times? 9 times. 9 into 4, that is 6. Then 2. The next point is that put in answer also that point. Right, 5 downside. In 25, 6 times. 6 into 4, 24. Then 1, 0. So right downside. In 10, 2 times. 2, 8. Then remaining 2, 2, 0. In 20, 5 times. We will get 19.625 meter square. Don't write centimeter square because radius, the length of rope 5 meter only. That is our first answer, Roman number 1. Then Roman number 2. What is Roman number 2? In case the length of rope increase 10 meter. Now length of rope is total 10 meter. Total 10 meter. Then we can give a name D, E, F. D, E, F. How much increasing area? This is increasing area after increase that length of rope 10 meter means this will be increasing area. That increasing area we have to find out. That is our question. Can write Roman number 2, length of a rope. Now length of rope is 10 meter because already increased before 5, now that total 10 meter. We can write capital letter R, 10 meter. Then our question, increasing area. Increasing area horse can grass. Can grass equal to, first we will find out area of ODEF sector, area of sector O, this is O, DEF. This total area we will find out. Then minus area of sector, the small sector O, this part OACB, because we need only increasing area only. We need total area only. This middle part only we needed. For that, first find out area of ODEF, then subtract OACB. Then you will get in between. Then area of sector, same formula we can use, theta by 360 pi capital letter R square, because the radius of ODEF, if you consider total radius will come, that is 10. How to take R. Then minus area of sector OACB. This area already you are find out. This number we can write that same number, 19.625. That answer already got it in Roman number 1. In here theta is 90 only. 90, same theta, 90 divided by 360. Pi means 3.14. R square, R means 10 square. Minus 19.625. 0 and 0 cancel, 9 and 36 cancel 4 times. Then you can write 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10 minus 19.625. This 4 and 10 cancel. Using by 2. 2 times in here 5 times. Again 2 and 10 cancel 5. Now remaining 3.14 into 5 into 5. You can multiple 314 into 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 4, 20. Remainder 2. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 15. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 0. 15. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. That's 7. 7, 8, 5, 0. Then after point, 2 numbers in here point. Minus 19.625. 78.50 minus 19.625. You can subtract that. 78.50 minus 19.625. Then when you subtract, point should be same level. Here just add 1 0 for subtracting. Then 10 minus 5, 5. Then we have 9 only. 9 minus 2, 7. Here 4. This will be 14. This will be 7. 14 minus 6, 8. Then point. In here 17. So 6. 17 minus 9, 8. Then 6 minus 1, 5. 58.875 meter square. That is increasing area for scan grass. Only one thing, you have to study this formula, area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Only that thing. Then remember, keep in mind, pi is 3.14 already given in question. That is our answer. Now we can do question number 9. Question number 9 is a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle, already given one figure, this figure, with diameter is 35 millimeter. First we can write the diameter. A given diameter equal to 35 millimeter, already given in question. From here we can find out radius. Radius means half of diameter. Radius r equal to 35 divided by 2. Radius means half of the diameter. Then the wire also used in making 5 diameters. In here total 5 diameters there. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 diameters is there. Okay. Don't consider radius. Diameter means total length you will consider. That is one diameter 1. Then this is 2. Then next one is 3. Then 4. Then last. Total 5 diameters. Then which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors. You can count in here 10 equal sectors is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal sectors is there. First question, the total length of silver wire required. That is our first question. You can write total length of required silver wire. Silver wire. Total length of required silver wire. You can write 5 into diameter, 5 diameters, 5 diameters plus Only diameter we will consider. This outside part also they are used silver wire only. What is this? This is circumference of circle plus circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. If you add 5 diameter length plus circumference of circle, you will get total length of required silver wire. Equal to 5 into diameter. What is the length of diameter? Already we have written. That is 35. 5 into 35 plus circumference of circle. That is 2 pi r. This is the formula for circumference of circle. 2 pi r. And then 5 into 35. Multiple 5 into 35. What will get? 5 into 5. 25, remainder 2, 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17. 175 plus 2 into pi value not given, that means you have to use 22/7 into r. Radius is 35 divided by 2. 35 divided by 2. 175. Can cancel this 2 and 2. Then 7 and 35. In 35 5 times. Plus multiple 22 and 5. 22 into 5. 22 into 5. 10 remain. Again. 110 you will get 10, remainder 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 110 equal to 175 plus 110. 175. 5A2. You'll get 285 millimeter. And here unit is millimeter. Don't write centimeter. Then that is our Roman number 1 answer. Then Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is find area of each sector. That is Roman number 2. Then you can write area of each sector. Area of each sector equal to. We can use in here sector formula. Otherwise, directly you can write area of circle. Area of circle divided by how many sector is there? Already given question 10 equal 10 sector is there. That means divide by 10. Find out total area of circle, then divide by 10 means you will get area of one sector. Then area of circle, which is formula? That is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square divided by 10. 10 means number of sector in that figure. Okay. Then pi r square, you can write 22/7 into r square. R is 35 divided by 2 all square. All divided by 10. 22/7 into 35 divided by 2 all square, we can write 35 divided by 2 into 35 divided by 2. Then this 10 we can write 1/10 in one side. Then cancel 7 and 35 5 times. Then 5 and 10 2 times. Then again we can cancel this 22 and 2 11 times. Then multiply 5 in numerator part. 35 into 11. 35 5 8 3. We will get 385. Divide by, in denominator part, 2 into 2, that is 4 millimeter square. Answer is 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. In here no need to divide because Pi value they are given 22 by 7. They are given 22 by 7 means no need to divide. In case they are given 3.14 means we have to divide. Okay. Now we can see question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs. That means you can see in this figure total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 ribs. Then are equally spaced, assuming umbrella to be flat, circle of radius 45 centimeter. That means one rib 45 centimeter long. Find the area between two consecutive of the ribs of the umbrella. That means we have to find out area of one sector. Only this part. Area of one sector. First, what are things given? We can write radius given in here. Given a radius r equal to 45 centimeter. Radius already given. Then area between the two consecutive ribs. Area between two consecutive ribs, we can write area of circle. First we will find out area of total circle. Divide by how many sectors is there? We can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sectors is there, isn't it? That means divide by 8. First find out area of total circle, then divide by 8. You will get area between two consecutive ribs. Then area of circle is pi r square. Divide by 8. Pi means not given in here, that's why 22 by 7 into r square. R means 45. 45 square divided by 8. (22 by 7). 45 square means 45 into 45 into all divided by 8. We can write 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. Then 22 and 8 cancel. 4 times here 11. Multiple 11 into 45 into 45. 45 into 45. 5 into 5, 25, remainder 2. Then 5 into 4, 20 plus 2, 22. Then 5 into 4, 20, again remainder 2. 4 into 4, 16 plus 2, 18. 5, 2, 10, 2025. Again 2025 into 11. Multiple by 11. You get 225. Again 2025. 5, 7, 2, 2. When you multiple, you will get 2275 divided by, then 7 into 4, you will get 28. 7 into 4, 28. Then centimeter square. That is our answer.